Alright, I got the Alienware 17 today, and I'm going to open it. I'm really excited about this computer. I sold my desktop, and I knew I would miss its power. I'd made some money this summer, so I thought, well, why don't I replace my desktop with something that I can bring to college, because that was why I had sold the desktop, was because I couldn't bring it to college. And I had that, which I can bring to college, but it doesn't have quite the same power that this thing will have. Holy crap, there it is. That's an awesome suitcase of a box. But so, as I was saying, so that computer I'm going to give to my mom, and then I'll use this one. It's got a little tape, plastic stuff over the little alien head. Holy crap, here it is. This is exciting. I don't know why, you stupid box. Wow. That is cool. Holy crap, look at all those vents. Wow. Wow. That is so cool. And then there's vents here. Wow, but that's a lot of vents. That's so cool. Wow. It's got a thick display. Look at that. But the laptop is not that thick. I thought this would be really thick. That is not that much thickness, you know? I mean, it's thicker than... Actually, I'm not even sure if this is thicker than that laptop over there or not. It's got a lovely glossy display. You can almost see the camera in it. Actually, you can see the camera and me. Wow, this is awesome. So that's the that's that. I don't see a removable battery, which is slightly surprising. I got Windows 8. Let me see. Yeah, I don't think... Ooh, those are cool. Ooh, that's cool. It's got gaming shortcuts. That's pretty slick. Alright, now let's get to the rest of the unboxing. I'm guessing this will be manual. Alienware 17 quick start guide. This is stuff. Cyberlink Media Suite Essentials 3D. The Alienware 17 Resource CD. Warranty, regulatory, safety information. Basically, it's just a bunch of stuff I'll never use. Nah, it's stuff that's good to have in a bad event or whatever. Here's just, I guess, the mission statement of Alienware. Oh, sweet. 3D glasses. See, this, I wanted the, I didn't really care about 3D, but I wanted the 120 Hertz display, and you can only get it with the 3D stuff, which is disappointing because it was $150 to upgrade to it, when I think if it was without these, it probably would have been cheaper. So this is the power thing. I remember when my cousin had an Alienware, his power thing was about this size, but like that tall. So they've really reduced the size a lot. And I'm guessing it's this nice flat design rather than a smaller but larger design, you know, so less overall area used. I'm guessing it's this instead of that, so that it can dissipate more heat over this large top and bottom surface area. I don't really know though. It could be another reason. But that's what immediately I think. Doesn't look like there's anything else in here. So that was a quick unboxing. So let's turn this thing on. Whew. Oh shit. Alright. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, cool. You see these lights? These lights go all the way around. That's pretty cool. These lights on the back. This thing's all lit up everywhere. Okay. So what should we do? Oh, I like that. It's changing colors. That concludes my unboxing video of the Alienware 17. If you're interested, I posted a link to my video review of this laptop in the description below. Or if you have annotations turned on, you can just click the video right now, and it will take you to my video review.